Iowa Senators Chuck Grassley and Joni Ernst are facing tough questions over President Trump's proposed budget, a plan that includes deep cuts to Medicaid and new work requirements. Local 5's Megan McPherson caught up with Senator Grassley in Oskaloosa and shows us how both senators are responding to growing pressure from Iowans to vote no.
Shortly after Senator Grassley took a tour of Clow Valve Company here in Oskaloosa this morning, we had a chance to ask him the question that many of his constituents are demanding an answer to right now. Will he vote to approve President Trump's big, beautiful budget bill? His answer?
If Congress does nothing, you're going to have the biggest tax increase in the history of the country.
While Senator Grassley didn't offer a clear yes or no, he made it clear that Senate Republicans are treading carefully with a bill that passed the House by just one vote.
Whatever changes we make, it's got to get a majority vote.
One major sticking point among congressional Republicans, significant cuts to Medicaid. The program currently provides health coverage to nearly 700,000 Iowans, including 300,000 children. Trump's bill also includes new work requirements for able-bodied recipients between the ages of 19 and 64. Requirements Grassley supports.
Nobody's going to be denied Medicaid if they are working and able to work.
While Senator Grassley's conversation with the local media in Oskaloosa was relatively calm,
this is not a productive conversation.
Things took a different turn just 100 miles to the north in Butler County at a town hall with Senator Joni Ernst.
Wow, I can't believe you're acting like this.
Ernst faced heated opposition when discussing the proposed Medicaid and food stamp cuts included in Trump's budget. One woman in the crowd was quick to voice her outrage.
People are not, well, we all are going to die.
The crowd's frustration was palpable as Ernst struggled to maintain control of the conversation. When asked if she would support the bill,
and I could support the Senate bill, and I may not.
Ernst said she's waiting to see what changes the Senate makes. Republicans say that they are aiming to get this bill passed through both chambers and then sent to President Trump's desk by July 4th. But if the Senate modifies the bill and then sends it back to the House, that process could carry into late summer. In Mahaska County, Megan McPherson, Local 5 News.
Both senators agreed that the Medicaid cuts are necessary to reduce federal spending. Overall, Trump's bill includes $4.5 trillion in tax cuts over 10 years.